So, good evening, everybody. Welcome to this program today. So, we don't come to talk about Edo State politics, wetin dey happen between Obaseki and Ize. So, we get some of our brothers here. We get our first brother for here. We won't first talk about some of those things. His name na Uncle Jimo, aka Jimomo. So, Uncle Jimo, we go like make you tell us wetin you think about Obaseki and Ize politics concerning this Edo State coming election.
Okay, I agree to now. Una good evening, wherever una dey. Una good evening, good morning, good afternoon, wherever you dey.
Na so.
Wetin I see for the matter, me I support Obaseki. You know understand? And the reason why I support Obaseki be say because of the good work when e be say e dey do. Although say maybe I not dey there, I dey see some kind things when e dey do. You know understand? Because the problem of Nigeria or the problem of Edo State, may I use am because na Edo State we dey talk about so. Na be say na light. If we fit get light, Edo State go better. Even we when e dey diaspora, we go help improve for this matter when e dey go on so. But wetin I dey try talk be say this man when be Obaseki, so the comrade governor when be Obaseki, e get work, better work when e dey do. Of which when me I dey aware, even when they start in 2017, I dey aware. You know understand? If they fit leave this man, make e follow up with this work when e dey do so, Edo State go better. You dey get me so? Hey, when he come to Obaseki, Ize-Iyamu. What Shomole they don already call result 2016. More no dey deceive ourselves. But Shomole say na thief. He say na criminal. Wetin we come dey worry ourselves for? You know understand so? Of which this man when we dey talk about so he get case with EFCC. Make go face the case first before he go say he wan come face Edo State politics. Because person when they call thief, now we wan come dey clamp am follow. My brother, the issue be say me I know dey put the talk, you know understand? But the matter be say Edo State na our own. We need improvement for Edo State. We need the good leadership for Edo State. You understand? That's why I support Obaseki. Thank you very much, everyone.
Una do well. So we don't hear now. We don't hear from the horses smart. Our brother wey dey with us for here, Uncle Jimomo, he say in dey support Obaseki to the core. He say 100%. He say in dey with Obaseki. He say nothing wey go fit change him mind against Obaseki. So we go like make we listen to our other brother, our uncle, and our father. Make he still tell us wetin he think about this Edo State politics, who in dey support also. You understand? So I go like now make we go to the session of our brother Uncle Daniel, aka Danilo, one of everywhere. So una do well.
Hello, my people. Now, good morning, now good afternoon, and good evening. All over there. My name is Daniel Edionwe. We are for the talk, so now Jamie are for the talk. The support might get for the governor we want come now. I know say it already entered there. That be Ize-Iyamu, number one. You know why I support him? You know why I deal with him? Because that man, he never hold any position. Where they say now so he thief, now so he do this one, now no man, now social media matter, and be that. For me, I dey 100% to support him. That man, they say he repair, now so he do road, now so he do water, everything for Edo for there. But I know wetin dey go on for social media. I know wetin I just see news where as Roshan take carry everywhere. Go nobody wey no dey thief money. You understand? Look wetin happen now. The money wey thief, wey carry go give PDP because of government level. Billion. That billion, if you carry that billion, carry am invest am for ordinary agriculture. I believe say nobody go say food matter. See wetin happen for Sobe side wey use almost he use almost 500 million say for corn, say na dem wan dey produce corn for Edo State. Nothing happen. Look at Gelegele seaport. Nothing's going on there. You understand? In Joshua Park, nothing dey happen for there. But Ize-Iyamu, I believe the time during of Lucky that time, Ogbe Stadium, he do everything there. Lucky Road, he do everything. Many things come that time, money dey flow. What dey talk truth? You understand? I know wetin dey. You understand? For up Ize-Iyamu, number 1 in Edo State, and I believe say it already dey there. Thank you, my people.
So
Thank you
wetin our brother now Oga Daniel dey tell us be say he say up Ize-Iyamu, he say na down Obaseki. So we don hear from the horse's mouth, our brother so wey be Daniel, he say na Ize-Iyamu na him dey support o. So our brother wey be say we dey call Jimo, he say he go still enligh us about how wetin make am feel say make we support Obaseki. So we go still lis ten to am, maybe he still get another key point wey be say he wan still talk about. So we go like make we go to him page again, make we lis ten to am small, make we whether we go really support Obaseki as him dey talk. Una do well, my people. Action.
Okay, my brother dey talk just now, he dey talk some kind matter. Na me I say I wan still throw more light. Na dey get am so, my people. The truth of the matter be say, him dey mention just now say no be thief, no be that, no be this. I no call am thief o, but during Lucky Igbenedion, we know say na Lucky Igbenedion na him spoil this our country, when this our state when e be Edo State. So na him make we dey suffer wetin we dey suffer today. But wait, one thing when I go let people know, make we dey wise. These people when they come, so most of them na their pocket dem dey find. They no dey think of the masses. Where me I dey today, if to say maybe we get good governance, I for not come here because na another man land. Now they get am so because there is no place like home. We all of us we want make it be say make that our state, our country better for us. Make we come back. Here when we dey so, most of us not dey happy people. Now they get am so because the freedom not dey there. If e be say the governor when they say they come, because me I support Obaseki 100%. The reason why I support am now I still dey talk since. Now people, now person when he get the people for mind, he want create electricity. If na only that one he want do for us, me I welcome am. I want am because as I dey here now, if I get money, I want to invest for Nigeria today or Edo State. If I get light, no problem. I no go get shaky. Money when I will take dey buy diesel, that one go cancel. You don't understand so? Wetin I dey try talk be say, make we give what belongs to Caesar, what belongs to God. Because me I believe say na Obaseki na be God sent. This other one when they talk Iyamu, he did the government of Lucky, na be the secretary to the government, the state before. Now they thief the money when it be say make Edo State dey the condition when we dey today. Thank you. That's why I talk and reach.
Yeah, una do well, my people. Now me dey behind the camera since they talk. So me I be believe before say I be dey talk before say Ize-Iyamu Obaseki they be best of the same feather, you know. So but my two brothers they don't make me understand. Say no, not be like that too. Say they see, you know, Obaseki and Ize-Iyamu from a different point of view. This one believe say Obaseki na him go work for those people, na him get those people for heart o. Then the other of our uncle still believe say no, not be like that. Say Iyamu na him go good for Edo people. Say because why Iyamu never hold a governorship position before, so he believe say if Iyamu hold am, things fit dey different. Say because many things wey Obaseki say he go do, say of a truth they never really see am, say he never really do am. And say the other one dey talk say Iyamu na thief. Say dem believe say na thief na Iyamu be. Say so because of that one, he no dey support Iyamu at all. So my people, now I say make we leave am like this. Then make we leave am for una wey be the viewers, people wey wan watch am. Make una still tell us who una support. Make una drop comment. Then make una comment, make una like. Then so that we go know wetin una wey dey various places around the world, or people wey dey Nigeria, or people wey dey the same state, so make we know wetin una think una sef. So make una abeg, make una still subscribe, make una support us, so that we go fit dey come out every day, dey talk about things wey be say e dey go on for this our state. Una do well, God go bless una. God go still bless us wey dey bring this program dey come.